Are you interested in learning how to send voice messages on Discord? In this tutorial, I will show you the steps you need to take in order to send voice messages on Discord. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to fully understand the process. To begin, open either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for Discord. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the app and update it if necessary. Next, open the app and tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. From there, go to your DMs or a server, and you will see a microphone icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap and hold it to start recording your voice message and release it to send it. That's all there is to it. This is exactly how you can send voice messages on Discord Mobile. If you have any questions about the process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.